Yeah.
Okay, you'll just come and explain.
No. I want to hear from your side. Because
I'm not telling you anything else. Actually, I think I've talked a lot.
no, you have not talked a lot. You have said you started dating last year.
Yeah, dating is not a crime. Like people.
A married man.
For a married man to have a girlfriend, that's not a crime in Kenya. When people go into your a girlfriend, like that's husband and the wife. So, yeah.
Say to mwezi wangapi? We are around. So last year, December, November, January, or what? Where did you guys meet?
I don't think that. I think kuja
Ameenda na mtoto wangu wapi ya basi?
Ameenda naye kwa duka.
Kwa duka sijapatana na kwa zile nimetamka hivi pole pole.
I think wamenafiri.
At what time did you guys ulikuja hapa saa ngapi?
Oh, what else? I feel really interrogated.
Interrogated? You are in my house.
Yeah, and why am I in your house actually? I
You are in my house.
Like as long as Niali nifungulia niingie.
Because yesterday I was not here, so since I stepped out to go to my sister's house, sasa you are comfortable.
That's not what he told me actually.
What did he tell you?
I don't. Okay, that's between the two.
No. I want to know. In fact, I'm even recording you.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. I know. I know I'm very pretty. But what I think he'll explain better.
This is weird, by the way. Like so weird. You are here and you're comfortable talking to me.
Like, why should I not talk to you?
The way you are talking to me, no respect at all.
Oh, I should have respect. Like, I don't count myself disrespectful at any point. Actually, I'm very polite. I'm a very calm person. Yeah.
So what exactly do you want? Do you want to live here, Ama?
I don't want to live here, actually.
Where do you live?
I have my own place.
Where?
Yeah. In Kenya, just in Kenya. But
you live in Rongai?
No, I don't live in Rongai. Yeah.
Where do you work?
Ndio nimetoka kuwatch hiyo video ya Milka Sato and Melsa Mwende. And all I can say is that Milka, you are the G because your patience needs to be studied. Uko na hekima, you have wisdom. Not so many people can handle such a situation with the patience that you did. Not so many. As for Melsa, you are a confident girl. Nilisikia ukisema you are confident. Sijui confidence ni nini hapo. Natafuta confidence hapo kwa hiyo situation. Na sioni confidence. All I can see is stupidity. And things can go wrong very fast. That situation could have turned out very badly. So sioni confidence hapo ni nini. Hapo naona stupidity. Niona orimo. Because how hata kama mwanaume amekuonesha huyo bibi yake ni mjinga aje, how do you go to a woman's house when you are the side chick? How do you go to the wife's house when you are the side chick? How? Huo ni kuonania wewe mundu utahuthagira hakiri wega. Juu, anything could have happened in that house. Saizi watu wenyu, ingekuwa ni mtu mwingine, watu wenyu saizi wangekuwa nasema familia inaomboleza. Yeah. Number one, ungefanya mambo iende vibaya sana. Maybe Milka saizi angekuwa jela ama pia angekuwa ameshasafiri. Watoto wabaki mayatima. Bwana abaki pia maybe pia angesafirishwa. Wewe maybe ungesafiri ama pia wewe uende jela. Like hapo mambo so many things could have gone wrong. That is not confidence. That is stupidity of the highest level. Mimi ningekuwa ni side chick ya mtu. I have never been one. I don't intend to be one. Hata ningekuwa side chick wa mtu, I would never want to go to their house mahali bibi yake yako. I would never. Singetaka. In fact, hata mimi singetaka tuonane na yeye hivi kwa macho ati ana kwa ana. Heri asikiange tu anakuanga na side chick anaitangwa Warenga but hajui Warenga ni nani. Kwani siku siku hizi wasichana wako wajinga aje? Huh? Hey. But yote 9 10 ni kwamba that man definitely has a type. Yeah, because Milka is calm and she's patient. Mwende is also calm na pia niliona akona patience na confidence. Hiyo yenye anaita confidence, that is stupidity. But wote wawili, they have something in common. They are very calm and very patient. So wewe mwanaume ambaye una hanya bado, as long as you continue to hanya, I would highly advise you that uendelee na hiyo line yenye una cheat nayo. Siku moja kitu isikudanganya ati uruke hii side ingine. Kuna watu wanapumuanga kama blow dry. And things could go very wrong and you will regret for the rest of your life. Unajua watu wana reacting differently. Yeah, watu wana reacting differently, but you definitely have a type. Stick to your lane, Mr. Brother. Ukiendelea hivyo, hakuna kitu mbaya itakufanyikia. Ukiendelea kucheat na hiyo laini. So the next person that you cheat on with Mwende, sasi Milka maybe ashakubali ama ataondokea, we don't know. But sasa Mwende ndio ako kwa kiti. Mwende ndio chair lady. So the next person you cheat on with Mwende, I hope they will also be very patient and very calm and understanding. Because ukikosea uende huku kwa watu wenye wanapumuanga kama blow dry, Mr. Man, uta regret pia wewe. Utaona actions zako zilikuwa za ujinga. So as long as you cheat, stick to your lane. You did a good job. Unajua kuchagua.